Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all had the best Christmas ever. I know I did for sure. And I just wanted to hop on here and make a video of what I got for Christmas. I feel like I need to do a disclaimer for videos like this. I'm not trying to brag. I'm sure you want to see it as much as I want to see the videos of what other people got. I'm just gonna hop right in because I feel like this is going to be kind of a long video. Everyone watching, if you were one of my students or if you got me a gift and it's not shown, thank you so much. I love it. And I'm so excited to use everything that you guys got me. So the first thing that I got is a Quip toothbrush. It's one of those electric ones. I don't know. That's like such a random gift, but it's really nice. I like it. So that's for my dad. A pair of pajama pants. So it's just these Victoria's Secret pajama pants. It has like the band. It's really cute. And then it has just like this heart detail down the side and it's stripes. Yeah, these are just super cute, and it's really nice. It's like one of those scrunched edges at the bottom, so it's kind of like a jogger a little bit. I don't really own pajamas. I usually wear sweats and a t-shirt to bed every night, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, I got a unicorn set of pajamas. I'm super excited about these because, like I said before, I don't really have pajamas, so those are going to be super cozy. Next, I'm going to show you this stuff that my boyfriend got me, and he got me these pants from a website called Oh Polly. And I've never heard of the website before, but they got pretty cute stuff. So these pants kind of remind me of the IMGA pants, those like baggy ones. I already have the black pair of those, but this one just has like a buckle on the front, and it has the scrunched edge on the bottom as well. These are super cute. I really like these. He knows me so well. Okay, the next thing he got me was this two-piece set. So this is what the top looks like. It's really cute, and it has one of those, like, what is it, like where it's like a tie scrunch thing in the middle. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain that. Yeah, this is super cute, and it comes with a matching pair of leggings that are gray as well, and they're super tight fitting, super cute, and they fit me honestly pretty well. I think he did a really good job. And Michael, if you're watching this, I love you so much, and I love all my gifts. Pretty much everything else is from Urban Outfitters. I went and I picked this out with my parents, so I already knew I was gonna get it for Christmas. First thing I got was this hoodie. It's brown and it has pink stripes across it, and it's a cropped almost, and I really like the back. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like cool detailing where it's hemmed. Yeah, I just really like this, and I thought I would try to get like warmer colors this year and, I don't know, get stuff that I usually don't wear. And then the next thing I got is this shirt that I'm wearing right now. It is just a halter top, a burnt orange kind of color, and it's super cute. I love the cut of it, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this all the time. Also, the pants that I'm wearing right now, they are this green colored jogging. It's like more of like a satiny kind of material. They're super comfortable. I also got a pair of jeans. These are the girlfriend jeans, and I just think these are so cute, and they make my butt look good, which obviously that's all we want in life, is our butts to look good. And then it's just a straight edge jean. I like these because they're not too tight, but like at the same time they're tight in all the right places, if that makes sense. The girlfriend style jeans are honestly one of the best styles to me. The next thing that I got from Urban is this really cute orange sweater. I love this so much. This is probably one of my favorite things that I got for Christmas, is this orange sweater. I wore it on Christmas Day. I opened this on Christmas Eve, and I just think it's so cute. And I don't know, I wanted like a new color that I usually don't wear, and orange is a color that I don't really reach for, but recently I've just been loving for some reason. But I honestly think it looked pretty good on me, and I don't know, it was so cozy, it was so warm. I got a lot of compliments on it, so I was like, okay, I obviously did good. But yes, I absolutely love this. It's so soft. It's just super cute. I highly recommend. Okay, and then the last thing from Urban is I got this wrap top. Basically, it's like a black silky material, and it wraps around in the front, and you could tie it a few different ways, but the sleeves are bigger, and it's just so cute. I have a pair of shoes that I got. These are just the Converse high tops. I used to have the same exact pair in the low tops, but I got them when I was like a freshman in high school, and they're obviously like super run down now, so I got a new pair, and I wanted to get them in high tops this time, and I have like an obsession with white shoes, so I thought I'd like bring these back to these. And I also have the originals of these, but I wear those like non-stop, so they're a mess. but I thought I would switch it up and get the white ones. Love. So, random gift, but I got a mirror. We do a gift exchange every year. In the White Elephant, I ended up getting a mirror, and I'm super excited because if you watched my room tour, you saw that I have a long mirror that looks just like this and has like the mirror trim. So I wanted another mirror that I could put above my vanity, like that looks similar and it goes, because I have one but it doesn't go as well, so I wanted a new one. And then when I saw it in the gift exchange, I was like, yeah, I need that, and I got it, so I'm so excited. I'm super obsessed with like home decor and room decor lately. Ever since I redid my room, I just like, I love it. Speaking of, my sister Ashley, she got me some posters from, I believe you call the brand Decenio or something like that. I'm gonna link it below, but yeah, I'm gonna link everything I got in this video below. So the first poster she got me was this. It's like a fire escape and the building is pink, and I just think this is so cool. Isn't that just the coolest thing you've ever seen? I love this. She did such a good job, like honestly. She also got me two little posters. The first one, it says, "You are enough." I think it's super cute. It's so simple. I love all the simple stuff. Like you can see before, like these ones I have up, they're very simple, and that's what I like. And then she got me another quote as well, and I just think it's so cute, and I'm so excited to put these up. Thank you, Ashley, you did amazing. So moving on to makeup and beauty products, both of my sisters really hit it out of the park with this one. I'm really excited. So Ashley got me the Benefit Professional Pore Primer. It is honestly the best stuff ever, so if you haven't tried it, like, please try it. And then she also got me the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I've actually been wanting to try this for a really long time. I've never tried it before, but I'm pretty excited about it. My sister Jessica, she got me the ColourPop Disney Princesses eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. All the colors are so beautiful, and I love ColourPop because, like, first of all, it's super cheap, and second of all, hello, the quality is really good, and it's super cute. And I just think the Disney Princess idea was such a cute one. And she also got me two lipsticks from the collection as well. She got me Belle, which is this really pretty color. Here, I'll show. Yes! Okay. Stepping out. And then she also got me Ariel, and obviously she had to give me Ariel because, hello. And then, yeah, Ariel's super pretty. Yes. Yes. And then I also got two MAC lipsticks from my mother. And these are my absolute go-to shades of my entire life. Obviously, Velvet Teddy is my absolute fave. It is right here. I will show you. I'm like holding this really weird. There you go. Velvet Teddy, the best shade in the world. But I always lose it. I've gone through like 4 of these and I always lose it. So I'm back to a new one. And then also the last one is called Cream in Your Coffee. It is the shade that I am wearing right now. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, and I used to wear this all the time in high school. It was like my go-to shade was Cream in Your Coffee. So we're almost done, guys. We're getting through. My little sister Ashley got us necklaces, and they're honestly the cutest necklaces ever. And me and Jessica, we travel a lot, so she got us a necklace that's like a little compass, and I just think it's so cute. So that is this. And then she also got me a bracelet that has my birthstone on it. It says she believes she could, so she did. Ah! My sister got me like a bullet blender, and I think these are so cool. I've actually been wanting these for a really long time, and yeah, I'm gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna eat smoothies, and I need a blender. Our blender we have right now does not work at all, so this is so exciting. I'm so happy. She also got me a chi straightener, which is super nice. Like, guys, I'm so happy. My mom got me a vlogging stick that I have been wanting this for so long. It's a tripod. This is one of the Joby ones. It's super nice. I really like it. I used to have a tripod, but I had to throw it away when I went to a music festival and they wouldn't let me bring it in. Not salty at all. Anyways, but I'm so happy I finally have one of these. It's going to make life so much easier. And it has a leveler on it, so like, guys, We are stepping up in this world. And then I also got a car mount for my camera. So this is gonna be so nice. It's gonna come in handy. And then I only have 2 things left, but these are 2 things that I bought myself. Actually, there's 3 things. The first thing I got myself is this little explorer thing. I don't know what you would call this, but I love this. This is so cute. So I'm just gonna put this in my room somewhere because, like I said before, I really like home decor now. Speaking of, I got myself this basket to put under my nightstand and just like throw miscellaneous stuff in there so it's not like out and about. So I got this. Cute. Target really came in clutch. And then the last thing that I got is my own Gymshark set. I'm super excited about this. It is the Flex set and it is in the color plum, I believe. So here is this, and then the butt has like a little swoop on it, which we're gonna see what that looks like. So there's that. And then I also got the matching long sleeve. I wanted the sports bra as well, but it was sold out. But yes, there is that. I think these are so cute, and I've heard so much good stuff about them, so I want to try it out. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all had a really good Christmas this year. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you want to see more hauls, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let me know. Everything that I showed in this video will be linked down below, so please check it out. Bye, guys.